Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is an update on the ONUIMO to Abia Tower road reconstruction, expansion and dualization. The road is being expanded from a 2-lane to a 4-lane dual carriage. The road is a 5.95 kilometers road starting from ONUIMO. When you get to the Imo River Bridge, you just cross the Imo River Bridge. The road starts there and then terminates at Abia Tower. This road is a key part of the Abia State government's initiative to improve the state's entry points. So far, the contractors have been making serious progress on the road construction. As you can see, it's almost over. It's almost completed. When the road, there is nothing much left for this road to be asphalted. Maybe it might be asphalted this month, maybe next month. I don't know. But if you look very well, you will notice that it's coming to its final stages. The road has drainage on both sides. If you see this side, you see drainage. If you go to the other side, you're also going to see a drainage. It's open right now. Some people have been commenting, is that the way it's going to be? Is it going to be an open drainage system? And I'm like, let's wait until the road construction is over, because the 6-lane road, doesn't have an open drainage. The drainage was covered. So I believe that this one right here is also going to be covered when the construction is almost finished. The construction company that is handling this project, they are known as Kremborg Construction Company. It's also the company that's constructed the Osa route that is now known as Agui-Ronsi Boulevard. The contract period for this road is 18 months. It was announced, at the flag off ceremony. There's a lot of work going on in front ahead of us. So if you can be able to watch the video down, you see what's actually going on there. There are a lot of heavy duty machines here. The road reconstruction didn't really stop or affect vehicular movement that much, because one side of the road you can see vehicles are still moving, and then this side of the road where you're seeing the heavy duty machines is blocked, and you can see what is going on there. Like I said, I think this road is actually the completion of this road. We are nearing the completion of this road. They are doing a very good job here. Kudos to the governor of Abia State, His Excellency Dr. CHIOMA OTTI, for reconstructing this road and so many other roads in Umuahia. At least make Umuahia resemble capital for once. So what they are putting on this road, it looks like a stone base, and it still looks like these asphalt concrete, but I think this is stone base, and you can see the truck is actually disposing and dropping the stone base right there, so that the heavy duty machine, the grader or the bulldozer, can level it, and then another machine will still come and ram it to the ground and make it So this coming December will make the road construction 1 year, because this road was flagged off last year, that was 2024 December. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be notified. Do you think they are handling the project well? Do you think they are fast enough? Whatever you think about the road project going on here in Umuokpara, you can tell us in the comment section. My own personal opinion, I think they are doing a very wonderful job, and I think they are fast enough. And if you just look at what they are doing, the quality of work they are doing, you will know that this road is going to turn out well. And this actually wasn't the only road that was flagged off in Umuokpara in December 2024. The Umuokpara ring road was also flagged off. I have some videos about the ring road in Umuokpara here on my channel, though I'm still going to be bringing new updates on what is going on there. The expansion of this road is a welcoming development, and it's a good initiative by the government of Abia State, because this road, I think, is maybe even last 2 years, if you're driving through this road, especially maybe you're coming to Umuahia from Imo State, or you are driving from Umuahia to Imo State, bro, they go slow, especially during festive period, or even normal days when people are coming back from their from business, because people actually go to the Malaysian market in Onimo. People from Umuahia, they go there, buy and sell, and in the evening they come back. So in the evenings, this road they go slow here. Used to be crazy, and also during festive seasons, like I said. But with this expansion now, it's going to reduce the traffic drastically. In fact, it might turn out to be that we won't even be experiencing traffic on this road, except maybe something happens. Now, with the expansion of this road, people that are going to market, people like this are people that have to cross to Imo State, or people that are crossing from Imo State to Abia State, they can go for their various business activities, at ease. They will do their business at ease. And then people coming into the state will also, have this impression that, okay, something is really going on in this state. But if this road was the way it used to be, and people are coming into the state for the first time, what they will experience in this part of Umuahia, it won't really give them a good impression about the state. So it was really nice that this road project started, and we are happy that it's progressing, and very soon it will be completed.